Incorporating oxtail into a healthy diet.
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how oxtail can be incorporated into a healthy diet. Oxtail is a flavorful and nutritious cut of meat that can be a great addition to your meals. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of oxtail and provide some delicious and healthy ways to enjoy it. So, let's get started.
What makes oxtail a healthy choice?
Oxtail is a nutrient-rich meat that offers several health benefits. Here are some key reasons why oxtail can be a healthy choice. 1. High in protein. Oxtail is a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining a healthy immune system. 2. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Oxtail is packed with vitamins and minerals, including iron, zinc, calcium, and B vitamins. These nutrients play crucial roles in energy production, bone health, and maintaining a strong immune system. 3. Collagen and gelatin. Oxtail is known for its collagen and gelatin content. These substances promote healthy skin, hair, and nails, support joint health, and aid in digestion.
Healthy cooking methods for oxtail.
Now that we know the health benefits of oxtail, let's explore some healthy cooking methods to incorporate it into your diet. 1. Slow cooking or braising. Oxtail is ideal for slow cooking or braising. This method allows the meat to become tender and flavorful while keeping the nutrients intact. You can use a slow cooker, pressure cooker, or simply simmer it on the stovetop with your favorite herbs and spices. 2. Skimming the fat. While oxtail has its fair share of fat, you can reduce the fat content by skimming the excess fat during the cooking process. This can help make the dish healthier while still retaining the delicious flavors. 3. Pairing with healthy ingredients. When preparing oxtail dishes, incorporate plenty of vegetables such as carrots, onions, celery, and leafy greens. These additions will provide extra fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making your meal more nutritious.
Healthy oxtail recipe ideas.
Here are a few healthy oxtail recipe ideas to inspire you. 1. Oxtail soup. Create a flavorful and nourishing soup by slow cooking oxtail with vegetables, herbs, and spices. This comforting soup is rich in nutrients and makes for a satisfying meal. 2. Oxtail stew. Cook oxtail in a stew with tomatoes, onions, garlic, and a variety of vegetables. The slow cooking process will tenderize the meat and allow the flavors to meld together, resulting in a hearty and healthy dish. 3. Oxtail stir-fry. Cut the oxtail into smaller pieces and stir-fry it with an array of colorful vegetables. Use minimal oil and opt for a light sauce to keep the dish healthier. That brings us to the end of this video on incorporating oxtail into a healthy diet. Oxtail is not only delicious but also a nutritious addition to your meals. Remember to choose lean cuts, employ healthy cooking methods, and pair it with nutrient-dense ingredients. We hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to try some healthy oxtail recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy eating!